Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about gas stations. We are driving on Mandela Highway and we're actually driving out of the city of Kingston. So guys, do you know which gas station chain or franchise has the most locations in Jamaica? Well, Jamaica has quite a few gas station brands. But the largest one, the one with the most stations, is Total. Total has 80 locations in Jamaica. Now, Total used to be Esso. And Esso was bought out by Total. I think it's a French company. And the name now is Total Energy. But they have 80 gas stations in Jamaica. Now, next to Total, or the number 2, is Texaco. Texaco has 70 stations in Jamaica. And then number 3 is Rubis. Now Rubis used to be Shell. So they have 52 stations. And these 3 control over half the number of stations in Jamaica. Actually, I think they control about 2/3 of the stations in Jamaica. Those are gas stations. Now, number 4 is Fesco, which has 23 locations and growing. But they have a far way to go before they can reach number 3, which is Rubis at 52 gas stations, and a much further way to go before they can reach Total at 80 gas stations. Now, number 5 is Peckham with 18 gas stations. And then number 6 is Johnson with 15 gas stations. And then you have some new entrants into the gas station market, such as Yardman, Regency, and Blaze. But the top 3, Total 80 gas stations, Texaco 70, and Rubis 52. Those are the leaders. And if you notice, a lot of development is going on in Jamaica. You have areas, let's take for example the North Coast. So many new gas stations have been built on the North Coast and quite a few under construction. You can't miss when a gas station is being built. In Westmoreland, so many gas stations have been built. Negril, so many gas stations. It's not that Jamaica has more cars, it's just that the population is expanding, developments are going up everywhere, and wherever you have these developments, new gas stations are going up. So you really have to admire all the progress that's going on in Jamaica. And they're not only building residential units and commercial buildings, they're also building the infrastructure to go along with it, such as gas stations. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.